Okay, let's differentiate this function. So to differentiate, we want to find the derivative y prime, or we could also write this as dy over dx. But in this case, what we have is we have a function inside of another function. Because this one's only squared, we could go ahead and write two copies of that set of parentheses out and then multiply this out and distribute. Then we could just use the power rule. However, in this case, let's go ahead and use the we have one function inside of another function, so let's use the chain rule. So the chain rule states that we want to deal with the outer function first. So the outer function I'm treating as something that's being squared. All right, so the outer function, you would treat that kind of like how we would take the derivative of x squared. So the exponent comes down, and you reduce the exponent by 1. However, you want to keep everything on the inside exactly as it is for now. Next to that, we're going to multiply by the derivative of the inner function. So the inner function is that 4x cubed plus 15x. The derivative of that, we can simply use the power rule a couple times. So the derivative of 4x cubed is going to be 12. X to the second power, as we bring the exponent down, multiply by the 4 out in front, and reduce the exponent by 1. Plus, the derivative of that linear term, the 15x, is just going to be 15. And that is our derivative. Hope that helps out as you're working on the chain rule. Just identify what the inner function is and the outer function, and you should be okay. It takes a little practice, but you'll get there.